Today, we will explain how beginners can adjust the welding process. For the Relfar single-wire feeding welding gun head and the two locking of the optical fiber, the focus scale can be adjusted to 0. Then, confirm that the gas is connected properly, usually using nitrogen or argon gas, with the pressure jumping to 0.15 to 0.3. Press and hold the manual blowing to hear the blowing sound. Finally, we will adjust the parameters. One thick material requires approximately 450-500 W of laser power, and two thick materials require 900-1000. As the thickness increases, the power also needs to be proportionally increased. The laser frequency of 3000 does not need to be adjusted, and the duty cycle of 100 does not need to be adjusted. The swing frequency defaults to 351,500 power without adjustment, and can be changed from 1500 to 2000 power to 252,000 to 2500 power to 202,500 to 3000 power to 15. The swing length is to fill in the width we want to weld, and then try adjusting the wire feeding speed from 12 to below. For users who do not understand the process, they can directly select the process library, select materials, select thickness, export directly, and then you can